One of the features of the Sanyo 4-position charger set is the 4 Eneloop batteries that come packaged with the charger. The battery charger works well and is more durable than it looks, but still has the possibility of breaking. The Eneloop batteries charger is simple to use, but it lacks many of the extra features that users enjoy in my top-ranked battery chargers. The batteries charger is great for travel, and has a small, compact design, which provides users with added assurance that they won't have to worry about the charger breaking during travel. Although it is not my top choice, I recommend the Sanyo battery charger for the lightweight design, the ease of use, and the Eneloop batteries that come packaged with the device. 4 completely dead Eneloop rechargeable batteries will charge in approximately 7 hours. You can either charge 4A or 4AA batteries, but you cannot simultaneously charge both R and AAA batteries. If you are only going to charge 2 batteries, you must place them in the left 2 slots or the right 2 slots, but not in the middle 2 slots or else they won't charge. Placing the batteries in the charger, and taking them out is easy and can be done in one smooth motion. Simply match up the negative end of the battery with the negative end of the charger, and the positive end of the battery with the positive end of the charger, and your batteries will be ready to charge. As mentioned, the battery charger comes with 4A batteries. Additional batteries can be purchased separately, however, the battery charger only works with NIMH rechargeable batteries. When the batteries are charging, the LED lights at the bottom of the charger will flash. When the batteries are fully charged, the lights will turn on and stay lit until you remove the batteries or unplug the charger. The charger requires batteries to charge in pairs instead of individually or 3 at a time. This causes a problem for some users when those unique circumstances arise, and only one battery needs to be charged. But since the majority of gadgets and devices require pairs of batteries, it seems most users will be charging multiple batteries at a time, and will not have a problem with the design of this batteries charger. I recommend this charger because it has a worldwide voltage range, which makes it a convenient choice for traveling. The prongs of the plug fold up and hide within the charger to provide additional safety during travel. At the top of the Sanyo North American site is a menu bar that provides an option for customer support. I wasn't able to find this Sanyo battery charger, model SEC MQN064, in the drop-down menu for customer support. However, I did find a toll-free telephone number, and an email address that will put you in contact with customer service. If you pull up the product page for the Sanyo 4-position charger set, you will have access to a specifications PDF sheet. This sheet provides you with information on the charger design as well as usage information. The sheet also provides a toll-free phone number for the customer service department. The specifications PDF that you can find online is the same manual that is packaged with your product when you purchase it. Overall, the Sanyo battery charger is easy to use, and convenient to travel with. Users were highly impressed with the Eneloop rechargeable batteries that came with the charger because of their lifespan and quality performance. I recommend the Sanyo 4-position batteries charger because of the ease of use, the simple design, and the excellent performance I experienced when charging multiple brands of NIMH rechargeable batteries.